Hello class 12th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter, that is chapter number 3, human reproduction. And now today's topic is male reproductive system. Okay, male reproductive system, as you know it, in human the male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. Where it is located, male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. Okay, location. Now it consists of as you know it, consists of first one, that is testis. Okay, a pair of the sex gland. It is a sex gland. And sex gland, and the second one is vasa efferentia, epididymis or vas deferens, and ejaculatory duct. Okay, the duct consists, second, the duct system comprising vasa efferentia, second epididymis, it is a duct system. Okay, epididymis, vas deferens, and ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct or ducts. Now third one, accessory glands. Accessory gland consists of seminal vesicle, second one is prostate gland, and the third one is the bulbourethral gland or Cowper's gland. Bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. Bulbourethral gland, and the fourth one is external genitalia, that is penis. Penis is external genitalia. Now testis consist of male reproductive system consists of testis, a sex gland, and second one, that is vasa efferentia, third one is epididymis, and vas deferens and ejaculatory duct. Okay, thus the duct system comprising all four: vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, and ejaculatory duct. Now next one, gland. Accessory gland are seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland is also called Cowper's gland, and the one main thing, that is penis, the external genitalia. Okay, genitalia, T-A-L-I-A. Okay, genitalia, or where it is located in the pelvis region only. Now next one, the male sex cells. Male sex cells are spermatozoa. Okay, there is a difference. Understand what are the terms used here. Spermatozoa, हम पहले क्या पढ़ते थे in class 10, that is the sex cells are sperms. Now here that is a sex cells, male sex cells क्या होंगे, that is spermatozoa. Okay, spermatozoa are produced by testis. Spermatozoa, the male sex cells produced by testis. Testis produces spermatozoa. Okay. conducted by various duct and ejected through urethra. A fluid is produced by the secretion of the gland which nourishes the spermatozoa during the passage. The secretion of glands with spermatozoa is a white viscous fluid is called the seminal fluid or semen. Viscous fluid with this spermatozoa is called semen. Okay, or is seminal fluid or seminal fluid. Okay, the process of expulsion of the semen from the urethra is called ejaculation. What is ejaculation? Ejaculation is a 1 marks question in the board examination. The process of expulsion of semen. Process of expulsion of semen. Expulsion of semen. Okay, from the urethra is called ejaculation. From urethra is called ejaculation. Okay, now next, first one, that is testis, first main organ or first gland. That is, testis is a gland. Okay, it's not an organ. First one, testis. Sperms are produced in a pair of gland. Okay, pair of gland, that is testis. Okay, now see diagram here. This is testis, pair of testis, one on right and one on left side in the scrotum. Okay, testis covered in a pouch, that is called scrotum. Okay, lies in the abdomen externally. This one is epididymis. और जो ये ट्यूब होता है arise from this one only. This one colored one. This is epididymis. And here is a gland. This gland is called, this one here and one from here. Okay, here is a gland. This is called prostate gland. Okay, this one is Cowper's gland. Here, this one is Cowper's gland. This one is Cowper's gland. This one is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. And this one is prostate gland. See in the middle, this circle-like structure. This is prostate gland. This is testis. Okay. This one is external urethral orifice. This one, external urethral orifice. क्या होता है एक्सटर्नल ऑरिफिसेस? क्या होते हैं जहाँ से कोई भी मटेरियल बॉडी का बाहर आता है, दैट आर ऑरिफिसेस. सपोज आवर नोज के जो दो नीचे ये नोस्ट्रल्स होते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑरिफिस, ठीक है. ईयर का ये ऑरिफिस है. जस्ट लाइक दैट ऑरिफिस जो एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट से बॉडी को कनेक्ट करता है, दैट इज ऑरिफिस. ओके, एंड दिस इज ग्लैंस पेनिस. और ऊपर का जो कवर होता है दैट इज ग्लैंस पेनिस. And this is testis, this is black cover, this is epididymis. Okay, and this one is penis. Collectively this structure is penis. Okay, and this tube, this is called vas deferens. Okay, and this one is urethra, this tube, this is urethra. Okay, this is the male reproductive system, contained to one pair of testes. This tube that is called urethra. urethra से दो चीज़ें होती हैं, एक आपका यूरिन एक्सपेल आउट होता है और दूसरा सीमन. ओके, सीमन में क्या होता है, एक फ्लूइड होता है एंड with the spermatozoa, the sex cells. Okay, don't call here that is sperm, it is spermatozoa, and that is Cowper's gland, and here two seminal vesicles, and then the center, the middle part, that is Cowper's gland, and this tube is called vas deferens. Here it is written. Okay, and this is the external orifice जिससे आपका यूरिन और सीमेन आउटसाइड जनरेट होता है. एंड this is epididymis. Epididymis stores spermatozoas. Okay.